Hi, you guys. So, I figured out why my quest objectives weren't showing. The good news is I figured it out. The bad news is it was a really stupid reason. This is further proof that you always need to check your work in Papyrus. So the reason they weren't showing is because I never initialized in a script that they should show. Hello, self. All right, so this is how we fix that issue. It's really super common. So if you find that your quest objectives aren't showing, this is probably why. So here we go. In our scene right here, when Aspen says, I'm doing great, but I lost my box of stuff, blah, 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 we tell Ryan my tragic backstory. At the end, we set the parent quest stage to 10, which means that we talk to the NPC. At stage 10, we need to modify the papyrus fragment attached to it. Papyrus is the coding language that Fallout works in, so that would be why this is happening. So where you do that is right here. You don't need to worry about this KMyQuest variable for now. All you need to worry about is showing and showing completed objectives. That can be done with super, super simple lines of code. So what you're going to do is just write these lines. Set objective, displayed, and then a number. I think it's 10. So the number corresponds to the number of the objective that you want to show. So if you'll remember, this is why I told you to make your NPCs, I'm sorry, not your NPCs, your objectives the same indexes as the stage they're setting. So for instance, I know that this is going to be objective 10 because I'm on stage 10 right now. Unlike a lot of other coding languages, you don't need to put semicolons at the end of your lines. So, bad coding habits, I guess. So you want to set an objective displayed. That's going to show a little pop-up in the corner like your pit boy saying, oh my god, we started this quest, that's great. Now we're also, because we both started the objective and finished the objective when we talked to the NPC, we're going to set objective completed 10. And again, if your objectives aren't showing up after you do these lines, it's probably because they don't match the number that's here. So I could be saying like set objective displayed 11, and I don't have an objective 11, so it's not going to show anything. Important step here, hit compile. Hit compile twice just because you can. There we go. All right, so we've got that done. So now, again, all I did was just add those 2 lines of code to the quest stage that is going to be set by the scene. So again, I set it here. Here we go. At the end, set parent quest fragment. Set parent quest stage, and then on that parent quest stage, set objective displayed and completed. Okay, we're going to push it to the PC. We're going to save it. We're going to close this. And now we're going to go to Steam. I've played 50 hours of Fallout, and let me tell you, most of that is just testing my own stuff. Aw, Skinner thanked me. You're welcome, Skinner. Oh, shit. Fallout. Fallout does this thing sometimes where it opens behind your Steam window, so you gotta just hope that it's within the... Yeah, okay. We're gonna load my latest save. It's gonna tell me this, which is fine. I don't care about that. We're going to wait, and then we're going to hope that I can remember what to do. Someone asked me if you are the children, the answer is yes. If you end up in third-person view like I am, you can fix that by scrolling your mouse wheel. Okay, so now we should walk up to Aspen. Hi, how's it going? God, that's a scary face. Okay, let's test something that we did here. So... you can ask me a question. How do I make a quest in Fallout? I'll give you the answer. It's a complicated process. Here, let me tell you more. And then it should skip to the next stage that we had it set to. So I think this was the one. I can't remember. All right, now we're saying invisible dialogue. Okay, so as you can see, our quest restarter is working. The end scene should be working too. So you don't want to talk to me anymore? Fine, that's great. We still haven't seen any quest objectives because you haven't selected the high option yet. Okay, great. The end scene is working. Now we can talk to me again. I'll ask how's it going, and then you have these options again. So now we're going to say hi. Hello. And we should see at the end of this, after Ryan knows my tragic backstory, now, when we're done here, we should see there it was. Started demo quest. Talk to the quest giver and completed talk to the quest giver. So just a quick refresher. That is just writing those 2 little lines of code in the quest stage that will give you that result. Good luck.